Hello everyone. The job date from this video is uh, from WILEY Mthree. So coming to the requirements, like they are excited to share that their hiring requirement has been doubled. So suppose if they hired last year 1,000 candidates, they are going to hire 2,000 candidates this year. Like the requirement has been doubled.
Hi guys, sorry to interrupt you. You all might have heard about Relevel from Unacademy's hiring test. Yes, the booking for slots are opened up, so book your slot as soon as possible and get a chance to work in top companies like 1MG, CRED, upGrad and lot more. If you don't know about Relevel, this hiring test, we made a full-length video in our YouTube channel. I will provide you the link in description. Go to the video and watch it to know more details about this. And I would like show you the syllabus for this backend and front-end development, this test. So what is the syllabus for this particular test, and I would like to show you, so you will get a clear image about the test. So let's move there. So guys, as I told you before, so let's see what is the syllabus for this test and all. So coming to the front-end development test, so generally as we told you in previous videos, like this test has three main domains like backend, front-end and business development. So I will show you the syllabus particular to the front-end development. So if you choose for front-end development test, then you must know these concepts, like you should have basic programming knowledge like loops, conditions, functions and all, and you should know about time and space complexity, searching and sorting techniques like linear search, binary search and all, and you should know the basic data structures like arrays, linked list and all. You should be good at object oriented programming, and also you should have some knowledge in computer science, computer networks, database management and OS concepts. So these are just related to the computer science fundamentals. And in specific, since you opted for front end development, you also must know the technologies like HTML, CSS and responsive designing, and should have knowledge in JavaScript fundamentals, React JS, or basic knowledge of APIs. So you should have a brief knowledge about these concepts, so that you could get a high Relevel score in the when you attempt this particular test. Similarly, with the case of backend development test too, so it is also having the same it is also having its own way of syllabus for it. So let's look at it. So coming to this computer science fundamentals syllabus, this is same, like the same basic programming knowledge, time and space complexity, searching and sorting, basic data structures, object oriented programming, computer science, computer networks, database management and all. So these are same for front end and back end, but in particularly if you choose front end, you should know some technologies related to front end, and in the same way that for the back end you should know some frameworks regarding if you want you need to know JavaScript framework like Express and or Node.js, for Java Spring MVC, or for Python Django, like that. And you should know some knowledge about MongoDB and SQL, and you should be have little knowledge about REST API and system design, like this. So it all depends on the domain you choose for. When you are registering for this test, if you should choose any one between these three, like front end or back end or business development. So if you choose a particular thing, you should be thorough with this syllabus, and you should get good Relevel score to get a good job with a handsome package. So for that you should thorough with this syllabus and all. So guys, as we told you in the videos, please do register for Relevel. So the very best thing is, if you get a job through Relevel, all the money you pay for the registration will be refunded to you. And before registering for that, use our coupon code TMH10, where you will get 10% discount for that. So don't forget to use our coupon code, guys. So that will help you a lot. So this Relevel tournament will really help you to get placed in a good company. So let me show you the particular companies that is offering for each domain. See, if you choose for front-end development, so these are the jobs for front-end development. These are the companies offering. You can see CRED, Gamescraft, lot many companies like Wakefit, Meta. So there so many good companies were offering handsome packages too. When coming to the back end, there also we have CRED, Razorpay, 1MG, Zoomcar, is a lot many. So only thing you need to do is, if you just register for this test, give your best, get a good Relevel score, and then just sit back and relax. These companies will come to you and give a chance for you to work for their companies. So don't forget to book your slot and use our coupon code. So I'm again telling you that our coupon code is TMH10, and I will also give you the link in description. You can just click on the link and go and register for that. That's it. Let's continue with our video.
2021 and 2020 passouts from computer science, IT, and calculator and MCA students to work with the leading global banks with a starting salary of 7 LPA and approximately 1 lakh salary hike every 6 months during the first 2 years. So first 2 years, every 6 months, there will be hike for 1 lakh. So and coming to the registration, I will provide the registration link in the description. You can go through it. So last date will be 15th July. So the WILEY internship spans 10 to 12 weeks involving project work and training in a range of demanding skills with different pathways to grow interns for special tech roles with top global banks. So this is the internship at the start. So after successful clearance of this internship, you are going to get full-time employment. So interns will receive stipend of 20,000 rupees if the program is fully online, and an additional 38,000 rupees if called for an in-person training in Bangalore. If it is at Bangalore, then it will be additional 30,000 you will get. Suppose if it is online internship completely, then you will get 20,000 stipend for every month. And coming to eligibility, so current final year engineering students graduating in 2021 are graduated in 2020, so they are eligible. So 60% aggregate in 10th, 12th graduation with good coding skills in Java or Python. So no standing years and good communication skills is mandatory. So passion and demonstrated interest in pursuing a tech career with the top global banks. So this is about WILEY Mthree recruitment. So this is about the company, like it's founded in 2010. So this is about the company. So let me show you how to fill the registration form. So I will provide this link in the description. You can go through it. So this Google form that they have provided. So you have to give your email ID, and they are hiring for different roles here. They have mentioned like automation engineer, banking operations, C++ developer, cloud, DevOps, database, so full stack developer. So a lot of roles they are providing. So which role you have interest? Suppose they have provided like multiple options also. If you are interested in more than one role, you can please provide it here. And like personal information like first name, last name, and gender, date of birth, mobile number, and other card. So like state of the place where you have born and your mother tongue. So university roll number and highest degree. They have given drop down like B or B.tech, ME or M.TECH, or MCA, and different branches like CSE, EC, or IT, EEE, AI, other something, and highest degree with the CGPA. So highest degree year of passing like whether 2021, 2020, or 2019. So they have given here. So I college name like if you go through it, if any, I mean they mentioned a specific list of college names here. So you have to go through the college names mentioned here. If you college name is not there, then you can select the other option here. If you can search for other, if it exists, then you can give other option. And you have to fill your college name manually there. And if you have any arrears you had, they can you have to give how many arrears is there in your education. So other academic like knowledge in C programming, if you have it or not, or like at which level you have knowledge, like no knowledge or beginner, intermediate, or proficient kind of. So C++, Java, Python they have given. So how you register for WILEY internship recruitment or placement program earlier. So like if you have already registered for this program in before, so you have to mention here whether you have applied for this program in before. So suppose if yes, suppose you already applied for this at which stage, like I cleared the entire selection process and currently ongoing training at job something. So at what stage you are there? If you already applied for this job previously, you have to select this option. So and if you are already placed in any company, you have to mention all these things. If you and have you taken MCAT test, and if it is, if you have taken, then you have to provide your score in the MCAT test. So have you completed any certification course? If you have done any certification course, like they have mentioned C++, Java, some programming languages, or anything like any latest technologies you have done, then you can you can give here the details about that. So suppose if you want to, I mean, if you plan any higher education, you have to give you here also. So this is about everything like family details. They have asked or something. And so this is about family, like annual income kind of, so everything have they given. So religion and caste, location preference, and resume. So at last you have to submit the data. Then after that, based on the details you have given, the further recruitment process will go on through mail. So you will get mail communication from recruitment team of William 3. So this is the job date from William 3, and we will post the job dates frequently. And please click the bell icon. You will get the job dates regularly. Thank you.